Dear students, in today's video I'll be discussing regarding antihistamines. In the last video I had explained regarding histamine. Okay, so coming to antihistamines. Okay, so these are the drugs normally which block or antagonize the action of histamine. They antagonize the action of histamine. Antagonize is nothing but blocking of the actions that is normally mediated by histamine. Those drugs are normally called as antihistamines. Okay, so these drugs are more specifically they are effective on H1 receptor. They are majorly involved in blocking of H1 receptor. Okay, so normally it was like discovered in 1930. Later they came with the new discovery of the drugs like by 1980. Okay, coming to the classification of drugs. Okay, we have got two generations of the drugs which comes under this. The first generation and second generation. First generation. Then we have got second generation. Okay, under first generation it is divided into three types. Highly sedative, that means when you give the drugs it is known to cause drowsiness. Then moderate sedative, and third one is mild sedative. Okay, so these are the three subclassification that normally comes under first generation. Example of highly sedative normally includes diphenhydramine. Then we have got diphenhydramine, dimenhydrate, hydrinate. Okay, dimenhydrinate. Okay, third one is promethazine, and hydroxyzine. These are highly sedative drugs. Under second class we have got phenyramine, antazolin, then trimepazine, cyproheptadine, meclizine. Okay, so these are second. In the first class, moderate sedative drugs: phenyramine, antazolin, trimeprazine, cyproheptadine, and meclizine. Third one is mild sedative. Under mild sedative, example is chlorpheniramine. Then we have got cyclizine, mepyramine. Okay, so these are the, then you can also take the example clemastine. These are all first generation antihistaminic drugs. Coming to the second generation. Okay, so normally the difference is these are known to cause sedation. These are normally known as non-sedative drugs. Because of that, they are done as first generation and second generation drugs. Under second generation drugs, we have the classification like cetirizine, levocetirizine, then loratadine, then desloratadine, Then we have got the examples of like drug called as azilastin, mesolastin, levocabastine, then fexofenadine. Okay, so these are the various classes of drugs that normally comes under antihistamines, and these drugs normally block the actions of histamine. Okay, so in the next video I'll discuss regarding the drugs. Okay, first I'll discuss about first generation antihistamines. So in general we'll be talking about the actions as well as the adverse effects.